teman-teman. Before we will introduce ourselves, we are from grade 12 side 1.
I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. I want it ever come she will open up make I see you then. You're my love one city. Make it bad
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will tell you about the story of the school from the past until now. Before that, I will introduce my name, Gevi Ramdesta, from grade 12 Science 1. Long story short, in 1983, Sungai Guntung community together deliberation to establish a foundation high school called High School Emboya. On the ground, a gift from a very meritorious person. Senior High School One Kateman was a private school known as Senior High School Emboya, and then in the next following year it became public school in 1994, specifically on October 5. Well, the initial amount of the teacher back then were only about 10 people, because we only had about 3 classes including 10, 11 and 12 grade. By 2021, Senior High School One Kateman already has 840 students, 25 classes, and with a total of 57 teacher and education staff. So the history of our beloved high school obtained from various sources. If there are still mistakes and shortcomings, please forgive.
Introduce, my name is Emilia Rutalinga. My friend and I will mention some of the achievement our school has achieved, namely Senior High School One Kateman. 1. First place winner at district level O2S and Women's Long Jump in June 2019. 2. The overall champion of the district level FLS student sport in December 2017.
3. First place in O2SN and the district level for the men's F class Pencak Silat match on May 6, 2018. 4. First place in the district level Big M Performing Arts branch on November 23, 2020. 5. The second place O2SN district level Women Single Art category in April 2019. 6. Third place FLS 2N district level vocal field solo putri in August 2019.
Second place O2SN district level women's single art category in April 2019. Third place FLS 2N district level vocal field solo putri in August 2019.
Fourth place into SN district level for women long jump athletic on May 6, 2018. Fourth place in the science Olympic in economic studying in 2010.
Third place FLSN district level guitar solo in August 2019. third place FLS2N at the Grad Branch District level in August 2018.
On the left we can see 6 windows, and on the right are 1, 2, 3, 4 windows, where these windows are closed with countertains to make it lock. Can hear neither read behind me. If we lock, there is a ladder. Well clock long with can hear with a toilet at the far left. This office is also adjacent to the living room. Administration and Principal Office. The office also contains the school vision and mission and import data about the school and teacher. SMA Negeri 1 Kateman has approximately 56 extraordinary grade teachers. Not all teachers are in this office. There are several teachers who work specially for administrative staff, library staff, and UKS staff, as well as laboratory staff.
Here I and some of my friends will explain later about the office of SMA Negeri 1 Kateman and their teacher. We can see, friends, that in this office there are many teacher desks, and each subject teacher has a table and private seats for each of them. And when we look at a very table that is here has small drawers, maybe in the drawer is a place for teacher to store their important things.
Alright, here me and my friends will introduce the teacher and the lesson the teacher. Madam Herwati, Principal and Teacheration Mathematics. Dr. Andes Haji Saifuddin, Teacheration Moral Education. Dr. Andes Linawati, Sociology. Madam Nursani, Semical. Mr. Dr. Andes Samsinir, Moral Education. Madam Dr. Andes Yasnida, Mathematics. Madam Riza Novita, Physical. Madam Erita, Economy. Mr. Hasbul Bakri, Economy. Madam Helmi Puspita, Geography. Madam Rona Yustanti, Teacheration Geography. Madam Erna Yarnis, Indonesian.
Okay, I will content for my friend. Madam Nurdona, SE, Teacher Relation Economy. Madam Suzaida SH, Teacher Relation Civic Education. Mr. Muhammad Ali SPD, Teacher Relation Biology. Madam Nemi Dwi Irsyani SPD, Teacher Relation Mathematics. Mr. Desi Saputra SPD, Teacher Relation English. Mr. Syarjuddin, SPDI, Teacher Lesson Moral Education. Mr. Sulmat Eskom, Teacher Lesson Graphics. Mr. Agusman, SPD, Teacher Lesson English. Mr. Birmar, MPD, Teacher Lesson Actual Moral Education. Mr. Zulkifli, SPD, Lesson Teacher Lesson Kimia. Madam Ida Laila, SA, Teacher Lesson Economics. Madam Mujiati, SSI, Teacher Lesson Biologi.
Mr. Abdul Qadir, SPD, Teacher Lesson Civic Education. Madam Siti Rahmawati, SPD, Teacher Lesson Biologi. Mr. Abdul Malik, SPD, Teacher Lesson RL Kuntur. Madam Sri Wahyuni, Teacher Lesson Mathematics. Mr. Apriyadi, SPD, Teacher Lesson Physical Education. Mr. Nopriyadi, SPD, Teacher Lesson Physical Education. Madam Elinawati, SPD, Teacher Lesson Indonesia Story. Madam Zailiana, Teacher Lesson Craft. Madam Lili Zuraida, SPD, Teacher Lesson Indonesian. Madam Nur Julian Mayanti, SPD, Teacher Lesson English. Mr. Yoni Pratama, SPD, Teacher Lesson Craft. Madam Salbia, Teacher Lesson Indonesian Story.
Okay, I will continue from my friend, Mr. Indra Faizal, SPD, Teacher Lesson Sociology. Madam Jueni Lismianti, SPD, Teacher Lesson Indonesia Story. Mr. Budianto, SPD, Teacher Lesson Sport Education. Madam Liza Afra, Teacher Lesson Biologi. Madam Nurlaili Eka Putri, SPD, Teacher Lesson Sky Bical. Madam Nobita Sari, SPD, Mathematics. Madam Karyani, SPD, Teacher Lesson Riau Melayu Kultur. Mr. Tian Dian Saputra, SPD, Teacher Lesson Art and Culture. Madam Miani Hartika, SPD, Teacher Lesson Indonesia. Mr. Abdul Rahman, SPD, Teacher Lesson Indonesia. Madam Mega Okta Firdan, NSPD, Teacher Lesson Physical. And Mr. Agus, SPD, Teacher Lesson Mathematics. First, I will explain here from class 10. Here, class 10 is divided into local A to I because they maximize the driving school curriculum or abbreviated as KTSP. In class 10, there are many students in each local, up to 30 people or more. Sometimes students also tend to rarely attend because of illness, permission, or without news. Students also often do not do assessment that make teacher angry. In class 10, there is still a lot of garbage around the class because it is not diligent enough to clean it. But there are also classes that are clean and tidy around it because the students are diligent in cleaning it.
Well, then in class 11, in this class there are 4 science class and 4 social science class. And also there are many students too in each local. And each local, it is different from science 1 to science 3 class already use ceramic. And different from science 4 and social science class, but different people have different comfort. And this is 11 class.
And around class 11 there is also a canteen and prayer room not far from the class. The student in 11 might always be compared to a vast length their respective classes even though they will be replaced by other students.
This is one of the 11th grade. 11th grade has a local. The facilities in this class are fenced and are also equipped with a teacher desk, teacher chair, student desk, student chair, 2 blackboard, absent board, picket schedule subject, and there are also photo of Indonesian national heroes.
Hi friends, here I'm Mariska. I can show you our class. This is my class, 12 Science 1 and left side 12 Science 2. Let's really close inside. Inside, like a general classroom, but I think my class in Science 2 special because what? Because we close between library and computer lab. Another 12 class, Science 3 to Social Science 4, located between labs.
And in class 12, there is still a lot of garbage around the local area, which makes it uncomfortable when you sit. I hope it won't be like that in the future, so that the class looks clean and comfortable to do during the teaching and learning process.
This is park. The garden in our school is very wide and rectangular in shape. The various types of trees planted in our school are beautiful, with views of the green garden. The location of the garden in our school is difficult to find because it is located on the right and left of the entrance gate of our school.
This is the student council room. This room is a room for student administration to hold meeting. This room is also used to store tools or file for student council administration. This is code room. This room is located next to class 12 social 3. This room is usually used for the assessment of squad member. In this room, there are squad equipment.
Big Air Room. In SMA Negeri 1 Kateman, there is a big air room which is located between the teacher room and computer room in front of the big air room. There is a small garden printed with various types on flowers. The big air room is used of flowers, store tools related to the big air organism and also various kinds of craft.
This is Islamic prayer room. The prayer room at Senior High School 1 Kateman is next to the library. This prayer room is very clean and beautiful. The floor and front yard of the prayer room are also well maintained. Inside the prayer room, there is a cupboard containing mukena and prayer rugs for school students who will worship in this mosque, and another cupboard which is used as a place to store Quran. Besides that, there is also an ablution faucet located in front and beside the prayer room. This is dormitory. Senior High School 1 Kateman has 2 dormitories, namely as a girl dormitory and boy dormitory. This lecture was built around 2019. So far, there is a located next to class 11 science 1 and also canteen. So far, it's also very close to this boarding school. Their house is very far from school, so that there are not dead and help is as burn of house. So far, it's equipped with servers room and mentor and toilet.
This is library room. At SMA Negeri 1, my friend also have a library located next to class 12 Science 1. This library is quite large, equipped with various flooring, bookshelves containing hundreds of books with various titles and themes. The library is always clean and tidy.
It is tall. My school field is very wide, has a lot of ground with various kinds of flowers and shady trees. On this field, there is also a basketball and volleyball court area. This field is located in the middle of school, where this location is located in the middle of the room. School medicine room, teacher room, and other. Because the field is very good, the field is also used as a place for flag ceremony and play football.
This is canteen. The school canteen is a place where we can eat and drink to meet friends from different classes, and there we can joke and laugh with friends. The number of canteens at Senior High School Kataman is a lot. 3 main canteens are located next to class 10 Science 1 and other 4 are located next to the school dormitory. In addition to delicious food, we also don't have to walk far just to buy food. The canteen sells various kinds of food, one of which is rice, which is equipped with chicken, sauce, tofu, tempeh, and eggs. Soy sauce.
Okay, so the advantage of Senior High School 1 Kataman include:
first, at SMA Negeri 1 Kataman, there are teaching staff who are experts in their fields, all of whom are graduates.
Second, at Senior High School 1 Kataman, there are complete student support facilities, including 24 classrooms, 3 laboratoriums to teacher sanitation to student sanitation, computer lab room, office space, administration room, 1 library, 1 basketball court, 1 field football, 1 field volleyball, canteen, boarding school, student council room, scout room, PE room, Islamic prayer room, and park. At Senior High School 1 Kataman, there are 55 teachers.
Senior High School 1 Kataman has produced a lot of academic and non-academic achievement.
Fourth, in Senior High School 1 Kataman, tuition fees are free.
Fifth, at Senior High School 1 Kataman, there are various kinds of extracurricular activities as FICA for developing the interests and talents of students.
Sixth, Senior High School 1 Kataman has several organizations for self-development and increasing knowledge, namely OSIS, PIR, and SCORE.
7. At Senior High School 1 Kataman, there is one of the extracurricular, namely Tahfiz, which if you memorize at chapter you will get a certificate, while those who memorize at least 3 chapters will get a college scholarship.
8. A lot of grants from the central, regional government and also various alumni communities.
9. The school area of Senior High School 1 Kataman is very strategic with the area.
10. Senior High School 1 Kataman is the best high school in my area.
11. At Senior High School 1 Kataman, they provide dormitories for students whose homes are very far away.
How did you feel when you first entered Senior High School 1 Kataman?
The feeling I feel is proud and happy to be able to enter
High School 1 Keteman.
What is the school motto of Senior High School 1 Keteman?
Forward together with everyone.
What motivates you to study at Senior High School 1 Keteman?
Because the accreditation is good and belongs to the school.
Why do you think if you recommend Senior High School 1 Keteman as one of the best high school in the Keteman district and why?
In my opinion, Senior High School 1 Keteman is one of the best high school in the Keteman for several reasons, such as in the Keteman of complete learning support facilities in terms of high discipline, and the most important thing that makes Senior High School 1 Keteman the best high school recommendation is school accreditation A.
Let's join together with Senior High School 1 Keteman, realizing a better and modern education system. Go together, thread together.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to
like, comment, share, and subscribe.